my name is Liv and this is Live with Liv, and today I'm going to talk about the 11 marketing strategies that you can use for Black Friday and Cyber Monday that are not overly salesy. I feel like we've been getting ready for Black Friday earlier and earlier and earlier. I feel like next year we'll be getting ready during Valentine's Day. I also kind of getting fed up with just how salesy it's become and just how intense of a consumer holiday it is, because it is a little bit sad that it's right after Thanksgiving. They're like, okay, we're with family, we're with friends, like what are you thankful for? We have all this great food. And then the next day, people are fighting over a pair of shoes at the mall that were probably made by child labor. Yeah. You don't have to do Black Friday like everyone else. So these 11 tips are all about driving sales on Black Friday without being overly sales oriented. The first tip is educate, empathize, and engage. I'm pretty proud of this. This is my own little alliteration that I created. So in the months leading up to Black Friday, you're going to want to focus on these 3 pillars. E-commerce sales are notoriously actually low in October because so many people are saving up for Black Friday. They know there's going to be huge deals, so they're not spending their money in October. So this is the perfect chance for you to not run a sale in October, but actually start sending out newsletters, making social media posts, putting it in your ads, putting it in your blogs, any videos, information about your product or service that educates the customer on how you can be of value to them. So here's some tips on how you can fill each of these buckets. Educate. Run a webinar live Q&A series. Have, a live webinar in October where people can sign up and you talk them through commonly asked questions. Make a newsletter each week about commonly asked questions and giving people more information about your product and what your company does. Post behind the scenes footage of your brand and point them to more resources, blogs, videos, anything that you have created around your brand that can help answer their questions. Point them in that direction during the month of October. Empathize. Create an emotional connection with your customers. Create some newsletters around your mission and why you created this company and why it is meant to serve your customer. Talk to your customers' pain points. What are they struggling with and how can you offer them value to help them through that? Tell customers success stories. Show some videos of real customers talking through, why they purchased your product or their story with your product. And the third pillar, column, bucket, whatever I said, is engage. And this goes across, educating and empathizing. Create content that your customers are going to want to engage with. So, if you go live, make sure that, you're going live in a topic that they're interested in. When you're posting stories or when you're posting just Instagram posts or TikToks, make sure that you have a question for your audience and try to get, that back and forth communication with you and your customer. The second strategy for Black Friday is to run a giveaway months before or a month before Black Friday. You can partner with another brand or you can just do a giveaway yourself. So think of something that you do want to give away, like what product, service, and how much of it, and then start running ads to a landing page where people will give you their email address. In exchange, you're going to sign them up for this giveaway. And after people give you their email, make sure you put them in a nurture flow where you are educating them on your brand and creating an emotional connection with them. And then after you announce the winner to the giveaway, announce to everyone else who didn't win that they're going to be getting exclusive access to your Black Friday deals. And so either give them access a day early or give them more of a discount, but make them feel special for being a part of this giveaway, even if they didn't win. The giveaway is a great way for you to get more leads into your email list and start marketing to them for virtually free during Black Friday because you're using email, and email is a super, super cost-effective channel. My third strategy is to dare to be different. And I touched on this a little bit in the beginning, but everyone runs sales on Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Think if you could potentially do something different. And I'll give you an example of it. The brand Deciem, I don't know if that's how you say it, I call it Deciem, but it is a skincare brand and they have the product The Ordinary, which I get. And if you go and you look on their site, during the month of November, they will give, a discount and they'll say everyone's getting a discount during the month of November, but our store will be shut down on Black Friday. So if you go to their store, their online store during Black Friday, nothing. It'll have a big landing page, but you cannot purchase anything on the store. And then they tie that back to their mission on why are we not doing this on Black Friday? When I first saw this, I thought this was such a good idea because it created more of a connection with me and the brand. I was like, wow, that's different, that's cool. And now I understand their mission more. So during Black Friday, don't feel like you have to do what everyone else is doing. Dare to be different, and it could pay you back in spades because it really resonates with some of your customers. The fourth strategy is to partner with a nonprofit. We have partnered with One Tree Planted, which helps with deforestation projects around the world, and it really goes with our brand because we have a plant brand. So find a nonprofit that goes with your mission and talk about how you're going to be supporting it during this season. And don't just use a nonprofit just during Black Friday because people will see completely through that. Continue to donate to them throughout the year or incorporate them in your content throughout the year, especially if their mission relates to your mission. The fifth strategy is to set up a Facebook or Instagram shop. If you caught my other video where I went to the Meta Shop Summit, you will learn all about why you should be setting up an Instagram and Facebook shop. But during this season and in general, Facebook is going to be investing a lot more into the shop experience. So you might as well set one up and you might get some free sales from, Facebook trying to get more traffic to your shop. Strategy 6 is to tease a product launch. So if you have a new product that you want to launch or, some merch or something like that, tease that for Black Friday in your email newsletters and in your social at least a month or a couple of weeks before, so people want to go to your site to see what this new product is. The seventh strategy is to offer early bird deals and VIP deals for your VIP customers. So the people who have purchased from your store multiple times, you need to be treating them like they are special because they have been supporting you. Go ahead and give them maybe early access to the sale so they can get everything before it's out of stock, or give them an extra discount. The eighth strategy is to run ads to your Black Friday deals. This one is pretty wide known, but run your normal ads, but also run ads to the deals so that when people are primed on that day, because on Black Friday, everyone is primed to purchase. They're ready to shop. So if they get an ad from you on that day, they're more likely to click and purchase. The ninth strategy, which is less marketing, but more just good business, is to make sure that your customer service is ready for Black Friday and that you have everything set up so that your customers can have conversations with your customer service team. So make sure they are manning the email, make sure they are on all your social, and make sure you've added chatbots to your site so that if customers have questions, they can just chat your customer service team. And in addition to this, just make sure your back end is prepped. Make sure there's nothing weird happening back there so that when orders are coming through, they are processing, nothing is getting lost, and they're getting sent to the logistics team to go out and be sent to the customer. I would also preemptively tell customers in your post-purchase email during Black Friday, expect delays due to, carrier delays. There are always carrier delays after Black Friday, and they will be getting these across the board, but just make sure that you tell them like, hey, you're still gonna get your thing. There will probably be carrier delays like there have been in the past couple of years, just so you know. My 10th strategy is to start your Black Friday and Cyber Monday planning early. This video is coming out early October, but you should probably start planning September, especially if you want to be educating your customers and really warming them up for your Black Friday deals. And my 11th and final tip is do not stop after Black Friday. Just because Black Friday is over doesn't mean that you get to just disappear from the face of the earth. Send them a thank you email. Thank you for participating in our Black Friday sale. We hope you have a lovely holiday season. Continue to educate them about the product. Continue to empathize with them. So after Black Friday, don't disappear. Continue to have conversation with them. And this is also extremely important because you want to have a high lifetime value with people. You want people to continue to purchase from your store. It's not all about just getting them to make that first purchase. So continue to nurture and interact with all of your customers. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. If you want to learn more about me and my company, you can check out this video. I explained it a little, but all about the 7 things I wish I knew before starting my e-commerce store. That is it. I will see you all next week.